heavy rains.
Here we go.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County until 9 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Memphis to Sterling Heights and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Roseville and East Point around 7:55 p.m. St. Clair Shores and New Baltimore around 8 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Warren, Sterling Heights, St. Clair Shores, Romeo, Richmond, New Baltimore, Mount Clemens, Memphis, Macomb Township, Armada. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan. The severe